some young lawyer out of law school. We're going to have a good lawyer in the community that we're serving.
That's right.
And that's, and like I keep saying, that's what separates us.
Yeah.
Is we will have a lawyer there in that community representing our clients.
And I've said this before, Brian, I think one of the biggest complaints that I hear from clients that have come to us from, let's say, another law firm, they will hire a law firm to take on their case, and they get frustrated with the law firm, and they end up firing that law firm and hiring us to take on the same case. Right. And the complaint is usually, it's one of two things. It's either they call and they can't get anybody to call them back, or they call up there and they talk to a legal assistant or a case manager who's not a lawyer, who really doesn't know anything about the case. All they can do is kind of read from some notes that they have in the file and give it to the client. They don't give them any real information. And so, knowing that a long time ago, and I don't remember who taught me this, and maybe it was Ruff Otters. He was another guy that I looked up to and taught me a lot about the personal injury field. It's just, he told me, you really need to make sure that you have good communication with your clients. Always talk to them about their cases. We regularly update people on their cases. And we do have legal assistance. I'm not trying to say that we don't, but the person who's in charge of everyone's case is a lawyer. Right. And when you want to talk to your lawyer, you're going to get to talk to him either that day or at the latest the next day. And they're going to fill you in on everything that you need to know about your case. And you replicate that model. You start out doing that in a smaller town where maybe it's easier. You replicate it as you move on and grow, and you just keep doing the same thing.